So the ECB have announced another interest rate cut, and that should be good news for all mortgage holders. But the reality is the banks here are not passing on these interest rate cuts the way that they should. For example, Bank of Ireland, we've had 4 ECB interest rate cuts this year. Bank of Ireland so far haven't passed on any of them. That's not acceptable. AIB, not much better. These two banks together made an eye-watering €5 billion of profits last year. We have to see interest rates cuts passed on to consumers here in Ireland. It is not acceptable that Ireland continues to be amongst the highest interest rate charge for mortgage customers anywhere in the European Union. That's not acceptable, and it needs to end. And worse still, if you're one of those mortgages, 100,000 mortgages out there that were sold to the vulture fund with the support of Fianna Fáil and Fine Gael, then you're in a worse position, because we know that 100,000 mortgages are paying over 6.5%. Indeed, 7,000 of them were paying over 8.5%. That's eye-watering in the middle of a cost of living crisis. So the government needs to stop acting as bystanders. They need to be calling in the heads of the banks, and they need to be telling them what is what.